Today in math, we're going to teach you how to find the mean. To get the mean, you add up all of the numbers. Then with your answer, you divide them by how many numbers are in the problem. So if there's 6 numbers in the problem, we have to add up all of these numbers and then divide our answer by 6. So we're going to try to do mental math first. And so we're going to round these numbers to flat numbers.
Okay, just
Mostly
keep going.
to flat numbers.
Okay.
So if we have 92, we're going to round it to 90. Because if a number isn't 5 or more, you have to round it down. But if a number is 5 or more, you round it up. So we took 92, we rounded it down to 90. We took 83 and we rounded it up to 85. We took 32 and we rounded it down to 30. We took 100 and we kept it the same because 100 is a flat number. We took 72 and we rounded it to 70. And we took 98 and rounded it to 100. So now we're going to add all of these up. Now we got 75
After we divided.
after we divided.
Yeah.
So first, after we divided by 6. So this answer is 75.
But now we have to do it actual math.
Now we're going to do it on the actual math. So instead of using the numbers that we rounded, we're going to use the actual numbers. 92, 83, 32, 172, and 98. So whenever we added all those up, we got 79.5.
0.5.
Now, so basically, we got a pretty close answer whenever we did mental math, because we got 75. Okay? 79.5. We're going to round this up to 80 because 5. And so we're just going to round it to a flat number. So 79.5, we're going to round that up to 80. So we got a pretty good estimate. Now, for range, to find the range. To find the range, to get the range, you take the biggest number and subtract the smallest number from the biggest number. For instance, if we're using these numbers, then 100 is the biggest number, 32 is the smallest number. So 100 minus 32 is 68. So our answer for the range is 68. Now we put thirds over and we talk about, we're going to be talking about the mode and the median. So, the mode. To find the mode, you just look at the numbers and the one that comes up most often is the mode. So, in this case, with these numbers, 92. So we're going to look at these numbers. 92, we only see 92 once, so we know that can't be the mode. We only see 83 one time, so we know that can't be the mode. We only see 32 once, so we know that can't be the mode. But we see 100 twice, so that could be the mode. We only see 98 one time, so that can't be the mode. So we know that 100 is the mode. So our answer for this one is 100. Now the median. To find the median, you put your numbers in order from greatest to least or least to greatest. It doesn't matter. Then you subtract numbers from each side till you find a middle number. So if we're doing it, I'm going to do greatest to least. So the highest number is 100. And then the next one would be 98. And then 92. And then 83. And then 72. And then 32. So now we're going to take off numbers from each side until we find a middle number. So if we take off 32, we take off 100, we take off 72, and we take off 98. But now we have two numbers. We have 92 and 83. So whenever you have two numbers, you have to add the numbers together. And so 92 plus 83 is 175.
And we're going to divide that by 2, right?
Yeah, since there's two numbers. So 175 divided by 2
It's 87 and a half.
is 87.5.
Now, if there were only 5 numbers, it'd be easier. When you have an even number or even quantity of numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's always going to be two numbers in the middle. So you find the number that goes in between. Now, if I was doing, well, this makes sense too. 92 minus 83, what is that? 92 minus 83.
Oh, 1.
You are freaking me out right now. What's the difference between 83 and 92? It's a subtraction problem.
11.
Try again.
14.
That's too big. It's the same as 12 minus 3.
9.
Yeah.
So
Sorry.
it's 9.
Okay, so if it was 9, and we're trying to find the numbers that's in between, what's half of 9?
4.5.
4 and a half. You add 4 and a half to this, you get 87.5. Or you take 4 and a half from this, you get 87.5. Okay, so that's probably easier. Find the number between these two, subtract them, and then find the number that's right in the middle of them. Okay, stop.